Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has disclosed that she will not spare any government officials in her fight against corruption in the ministry. Nakhumicha has disclosed that initially her attempts to have the EACC investigate malpractices at KEMSA were thwarted by some officials within the ministry, but she was adamant and ensured that the malpractices came to the fore, and her PS and other senior KEMSA officials shown the door. Now, according to Nakhumicha, there are senior government officials who want to steal money meant for the sick in the country, a vice which she is willing to fight to the very end.
Last week on Thursday, immediately after the release of that report, I did write to EACC and asked them to come and investigate. And when I was speaking to Twalib on Monday on WhatsApp, asking him whether he has received my letter, he said he hadn't. And that is how corruption fights back in this country. That when I wrote a letter on Thursday, EACC is only a few meters from my office. By Monday, the letter had not arrived. But thankfully, Twalib confirmed to me and said, Madam CS, you don't have to worry. I have already released my officers. There are people in this country who are hell-bent to enrich themselves on the backs of patient money. Very shameful, on donor money. That you cannot assist yourself, you are assisted, but there are people who have grouped themselves to benefit from these monies. I am not going to allow it to happen.
We have received this report, as the CS mentioned, and we are working on it. We have a whole investigative department that is going to look at where were the loopholes, what were the things that happened, who are the culpable people, and they will be invited for interviews. And those people who are found to be culpable, then we will forward their names with the relevant evidence to the DPP for further action.
Now, the university and